Good day guys, if your Verizon Fios remote has suddenly stopped working, don't worry, it's usually easy to fix, and in this video I'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to get your remote working again, whether it's not responding, buttons don't work, or not pairing with your Fios TV box. So first up guys, you need to check the batteries. So weak or dead batteries are the most common cause. Replace both batteries with fresh ones, making sure they're inserted correctly. If the batteries are fine, but the remote still doesn't work, you can try resetting it. So press and hold the OK and Fios TV buttons at the same time. So let me see if there are these buttons on this remote. So this is the OK. And of course, depending on the remote model, you will have or not have the Fios TV buttons. So just press them together and wait until the red light blinks twice, then press 900. The remote should blink again, confirming the reset. If it's still not working, you can repair it with your set-top box. Point the remote at the box, then press and hold play or pause and O buttons together until the LED flashes blue. The pairing process should complete automatically, so you just press play and pause, which is somewhere on the remote, and also the 0. And the pairing process should complete automatically. And finally, you can unplug your Fios TV box from power, wait 30 seconds and plug it back in. Once it reboots, test the remote again. So that's it. In most cases, one of these steps will bring your Verizon Fios remote back to life. If it's still not working, the remote itself might need a replacement, and you can request one through Verizon support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.